Hello, heroes of the roof. We're back on the flat roof today, and we're going to show you how easy it is to renovate roof light domes from other manufacturers with a Lamilux Renovation Frame 11. We now apply this Renovation Frame 11 to this source strip. We now have to make sure that the gap dimensions here are roughly the same so that the dome sits straight later on. The next step is to mark these drilling holes, which we pre-drill. This is about a distance of 30 centimeters. We will now pre-drill them. I use a 6mm drill bit. Next, we take the screws included in the scope of delivery and screw on the renovation frame. The next step is to fit the hanging apron, which provides additional rain protection once the waterproofing is in place. This is already cut to size and only needs to be riveted, and then the hanging apron is mounted in no time at all. Finally, just put the skylight dome on, fit the catch, and insert the hinge bolts, and you're done. And that was one of the possible renovation solutions with Lamilux products. If you want to see more, go to www.lamilux.com, and you'll find many more solutions for your renovation.